Okay, today's adventure, I got a noisy RTU. The rooftop for this side of the building is making some noise. Let's go see what we're up against here. Oh, I hear the rumble. I hear the rumble. Is that the condenser fan of the blower motor? Something is not spinning correctly. One of my motors is out of whack. I think it's the blower. Listen to that thing. Sounds like it's shaking. Thump, 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 thump. There we go. Looks like it's just a loose belt. Here's my disconnect. Oh, what's going on here? Over here now, look at that. So the belt is separated, it's stretched. Let's get this off and start. That thing's garbage. Look at it, it's garbage. Separated. Goodbye, belt. We always keep backups here just in case. They removed all the belts from our truck. Somebody thought that it was a great idea for us not to have belts. Look, this is a Mitsubishi belt. Mitsubishi. Sorry, I said it wrong. I keep saying Mitsubishi, but it's Mitsubishi. A35. I got a AX 35. It kind of looks brand new. Okay. I don't have too much tension on it. Okay. From my angle, I can't really see. I could probably look at the replay. What you guys see. It kind of looks like it's straight. We are sitting inside here a little bit, but it looks like that's where it's been riding for a while. The motor doesn't seem like it's loose. Let's turn it on and see. We have another suicide belt. I don't know how many of you remember that video where the belt literally shoots itself out of the unit when I start it. And we change this belt. I think it's twice a year. That doesn't look right. Put the disconnect up, okay. All we need is just a little patience. Okay, I got lights on, so I have power. Okay, so if it doesn't come on in 1 second, I'm going to jump out the test. Contactor points are starting to burn up a little. Okay, here we go. It's the only test I wanted. We had a little squeal at first. And it looks like it's riding good. Doesn't look like it's rubbing. Let me stop it. So with this belt it sounds better. Is it favoring one side of the pulley? It actually looks like it is. Looks like it might have moved. Okay. So I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust this pulley just a little bit. I'm going to try to minimize that squeal on the start. Okay. I'll put the gloves on. Smallest one I got. I just hate putting the extra tension onto a ratcheting wrench, but okay. Why do I have to give things up to do other things? Why do you want to take away? Okay. Nothing's yeah, let's test. Okay. A lot quieter than it was. This is not a new belt, so I'm gonna put it on my notes that we have to replace this belt, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna be doing the belt when we do the heat on this unit. Machine off. Let's close it up. And it's time to move on to the next call. Sun's starting to come out, that's awesome. Have anything in here I need? No. So if your belt squeals a lot on start, just check the alignment. Make sure it's aligned correctly, because it really shouldn't be squealing. The next job, I get to play with a new tool. I bought an amp probe psychrometer, digital, because I got water leaking from a vent. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film that because I'm going to be with the homeowner. But I mean, this is more of a room issue than a system issue. It's in their kitchen, it's leaking. My boss wants me to go there to make the problem go away. Let's see, where's the screw hole? Right here. Customers complaining they spent so much money and it's leaking in their kitchen. I believe somebody's been there, insulated the duct. So now I'm going to eliminate anything else that might be wrong. Garbage. This is going me. I'm gonna have to make a new jumper soon. Model, serial number. There goes the compressor. Fan starts. Goodbye, model, serial number. I cannot read that, but here we go. At least I'll try to use this for a reference. I'm Bill, the HVAC hacker. Thank you for joining me on this service call. Till next time.